buddies! It's Mia, and today we're going to be making a chocolate tart. This is my dough, my sweet short crust that I have already made and chilled so that we can roll it out today. So I'll insert the clips of how I made that, and then we'll get to it. To make the sweet short crust, we need to add 85 grams of softened butter, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 145 grams of flour. We also need 17 grams of almond flour, and we need 55 grams of confectioner sugar. And we need 40 grams of egg yolks. And we need about a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Mix this until crumbly. And we add our almond flour and sugar mixture. Then we add the egg yolks and vanilla. I got some plastic wrap, and I'm going to turn our dough out onto our surface. And then we wrap that up and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Here's my sweet short crust pastry, and we're going to roll that out to about a 1/4 inch thick and put it in our tart pan. This is a slightly smaller tart pan than I used last week for the apple tart because I am erring on the side of caution this week. This way. Then we take our tart and we bake it. Okay, we take some scrunched up parchment paper, baking beans, then we take our tart, set on top of our baking sheet, and bake for 15 minutes at 325. So for my chocolate tart, I'm going to be using 70% dark chocolate, and I need 160 grams. Then we're going to microwave this in little increments until it's all melted. I'll set that aside. It's been 15 minutes on our tart. So let's remove these. Beautiful. And that goes back in the oven for 5 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. So in a small bowl, we're mixing together 1 egg and 25 grams of milk. And then we set that aside. So in a separate saucepan, we're going to combine 150 grams of heavy cream and 50 grams of whole milk. Our tart's ready! Ooh, looks nice. Set that over here to cool. So we put our cream and milk mixture over medium-high heat, and we want to bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, I have my chocolate standing by and my egg and milk mixture standing by. So our cream mixture is hot. I'm going to pour half of that into our egg mixture. And then we're going to pour that back into our cream mixture. So this goes back over heat until it reaches 158 degrees. I have my chocolate ready with a strainer over it. Strain our custard over top. It's getting very thick. It's interesting. It smells so good. Now we want to pour that into our tart pan. It's kind of like a chocolate pudding. Now that goes into the oven for 8 to 9 minutes. Bye-bye, Tart. See you in a couple. Some nice shavings of almonds. And make a little decoration on top. Our tart is ready. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. So it's supposed to be still kind of jiggly in the middle. We're supposed to let it cool for 30 minutes and then put it in the fridge for an hour. But before we do that, I'm going to add my almonds. Here's our chocolate tart. I'm so happy that I went with the smaller pie tart. This looks so beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it. It smells so good. Let's cut a piece. Mmm. Just a spot. Oopsies. Okay, let's give it a try. That is so good. A plus. This is so good. You have to try this. I'm like just so good. I'm gonna go eat the rest of this and drink my coffee and have an amazing day. So I'll see you next time. Bye, buddy. You coming?